OnePlus may be working on a phone that many people have been asking for over the years, a compact flagship that does not compromise on power or battery life. According to recent leaks, the OnePlus 150T is now in development, and it could become one of the most interesting smartphones in OnePlus's lineup. New information suggests that OnePlus is preparing a successor to the OnePlus 13T, which was also known as the OnePlus 13S in some regions. This new device is expected to be called the OnePlus 50T, and it appears to continue the same idea of offering flagship-level performance in a smaller body. What makes this even more exciting is that accessories for the OnePlus 50T are already said to be in trial production, which strongly hints that the phone itself is moving closer to launch. One of the standout details about the OnePlus 50T is its size. The phone is expected to feature a 6.31-inch display, which places it firmly in the small screen category by today's standards. Most flagship phones are now well over 6.7 inches, so a 6.3-inch device already feels compact in comparison. Despite the smaller size, the display is expected to be flat, with narrow and symmetrical bezels, giving it a clean and modern look. The refresh rate is another highlight. The OnePlus 50T is rumored to support a 1 Hz refresh rate, matching the OnePlus 15. This is impressive for a smaller device and suggests that OnePlus is targeting users who care about smooth performance, especially gamers and power users. A high refresh rate like this can make scrolling, animations, and gaming feel noticeably smoother. However, the most surprising detail is the battery. According to the leak, the OnePlus 50T could pack a battery around 7,000 mAh. This is huge, especially for a phone with a 6.3-inch display. Small phones usually struggle with battery life because of limited internal space, so seeing such a large battery in a compact device is unexpected. If this turns out to be true, the OnePlus 50T could easily stand out from its competitors in terms of endurance. In addition to the battery, the phone is expected to feature a metal frame, which adds a more premium feel and improves durability. There is also mention of a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. This type of fingerprint sensor is usually faster and more reliable than optical ones, especially in different lighting conditions or with slightly wet fingers. Performance-wise, the OnePlus 15T is expected to fully earn its flagship title. The phone may be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. This is Qualcomm's top-tier processor, designed for maximum performance in gaming, multitasking, and demanding apps. If this chip makes its way into the OnePlus 50T, it would confirm that this device is not just small, but seriously powerful. According to the leaker Digital Chat Station, the OnePlus 50T could end up being the only small-screen performance-focused smartphone in its category. That might be a bold claim, but it does highlight what OnePlus is trying to do here. Other brands also have smaller flagship phones, but they often make compromises in battery size, cooling, or pricing. For example, Samsung's base Galaxy S26 is also expected to feature a 6.3-inch display and a high-end Qualcomm chip. Apple's smaller iPhone 17 Pro is rumored to use the same screen size with top-tier performance as well. Google's Pixel 10 Pro also matches the size, although its performance may not reach the same level as Qualcomm-powered devices. Where the OnePlus 50T could really stand out is pricing. The OnePlus 15 already starts at around $1,899, so the OnePlus 50T is expected to be more affordable. This could make it very attractive to buyers who want flagship power but do not want to pay top flagship prices. Of course, there is still one big question mark: availability. It is not yet clear whether OnePlus will launch the 50T outside of China. If OnePlus does decide to release the OnePlus 50T globally, it could become a major hit. Not everyone wants a small phone, but many people want better value for money. A compact phone with a fast chip, smooth display, and massive battery at a lower price could be hard for competitors to match. For now, all eyes are on OnePlus to see whether this small powerhouse will make it to more markets around the world.